Hello everyone, this is Dylan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Magnifica from DeLonghi with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues. Mainly, this machine was grinding coffee beans, but no coffee was actually coming out of the spouts. After thorough inspecting of both the mechanical valve and also the brew unit, we found out that replacing the brew unit itself was the necessary repair. And so we did a complete tune-up on this machine, where we replaced the brew unit. So the brew unit that's inside of this machine is a completely brand new one. Also deep cleaned the mechanical valve, replaced the gaskets on the mechanical valve to make sure that there was no leaking coming from the sides of it. Also descaled the machine. This is the generator and of course the little heat thermal generator that's also on the back, making sure that it's all descaled and there's no scale buildup on those. And also doing cleaning cycles to clean out all the hosing in the mechanical valve. As I was doing that, I did find a leak on your generator towards the back, so I took off the connection, inspected the gaskets, seen that the gaskets were worn, cleaned off all of the scale and all of the water damage that was on the generator, and put a new gasket on there also to just make sure it wasn't leaking on the side panel. But besides that, we're ready to brew a shot. We're going to brew a double shot here. We're going to push the spout down. It's going to get in position. It's going to start grinding coffee into that new brew unit. And then after it's done, it's going to move the brew unit into the mechanical valve, pretty much tamping it against the mechanical valve and or the generator. The generator also pushing water through it. So in return, it is brewing the shot. Now it's going to start. As you can see, coming out really good. And none of that water is going back into the machine at all. It's just all coming out of the spouts, which is what you want for a machine like this. Perfect. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.